The Duke of Sussex has left the UK and has returned to his Montecito home and be reunited with wife Meghan Markle and children. Prince Harry, 38, has now left the UK following his appearance in court as part of the Mirror Group newspaper's phone hacking trial. The Duke has landed back in the US to be reunited with his wife Meghan Markle and their two children Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet, who have remained at their Montecito home while he has been away. The royal was in court giving evidence against the newspaper group, claiming that they used illegal methods to obtain information about him in order to produce stories. Talking about growing up in the royal family and in the public eye, Harry said, "As a child, every single one of these articles played an important and destructive role in my growing up. He also added, "I now realize that my acute paranoia of being constantly under surveillance was not misplaced after all," after talking about payments made to private investigators used to gather information on him. The Duke claims that the press were partly to blame for the breakdown in his relationship with ex-Chelsea Davy. Ultimately, these factors led her to make the decision that a royal life was not for her, which was incredibly upsetting for me at the time," he revealed. After cross-examination, his own barrister Mr. Sherborne asked Harry, "Finally, Prince Harry, you have been in that witness box for over a day and a half. You have had to go through these articles and answer questions knowing this is a very public courtroom and the world's media are watching. How has that made you feel?" Harry paused, looked emotional and eventually answered, "It's a lot." The royal also said, "For my whole life the press has misled me and covered up the wrongdoing. For me to be sitting here in court knowing the defense has the evidence in front of them, and Mr. Green suggesting I'm speculating, I'm not entirely sure what to say." At 2:30 p.m. on Wednesday, the Duke was allowed to step down from the dock after a total of around 8 hours of questioning across 2 days. It is unknown if Harry met up with his father King Charles or his brother Prince William during his UK jaunt, but both were in London at the time.